Apparently I'm flying solo to the flight deck. Still another 250 meters of boat that way. Gotta buy a hoodie in every town we go to. Am I in the wrong one? Yep. Oh boy. Good morning, y'all. Welcome back. We are headed to San Diego today. Day 5. Today's day 5?
I think so.
We're gonna go 5. Today's day 5. Heading to San Diego, and right now we're on Santa Monica Boulevard, heading to the coast. And I think we're gonna try and take the coast as far as we can to get there. We're in no hurry.
Look at all these boats, though.
Yeah, we have made our way to San Diego. We're finally here. We're in the harbor front, coming up on the Broadway Pier. Some very big yachts, and the USS Midway aircraft carrier.
This takes you to Coronado Island.
No, thank you.
Yeah, I wish I could get past them, but I can't.
Like that boat?
It's Coronado Island over there.
That's it over there, Coronado? Oh, I see.
Hi.
We're driving out there.
Thank you.
Hey, whale and dolphin watch adventure.
This is the. No, Mom, this end. This end.
All right, we're inside the USS Midway, and what I think is the belly of it is a Huey right here, and they got a bunch of other planes down this way here. We're gonna make our way down there. They also give you this cool device here. You point that at one of the yellow speakers there, push a button, and it tells you all about the plane and the crew. So let's carry on and have a look at all this. I don't know if this is where they stored all the planes waiting for whatever, or maintenance, or what. These planes are actually bigger than you think they are. When you see them up close, they are huge. It's a place where you can take some food and eat it. Oh, glass floor. Anybody? Oh yeah. Is that weird? That's where the engines of the planes.
Mom's too scared to do it.
I don't blame her. Some people don't like the glass floor. Jenny went right on around the glass floor. You didn't know it went across it. Just strolled through the gift shop. I think we're now gonna make our way up to the flight deck. Yeah, I think that's where we're going, flight deck. Apparently I'm flying solo to the flight deck. Ella did not want to go up, and Jen doesn't like heights either, so they're waiting down below. Let's go up and take a look. He holds a lot of planes. Oh, you actually get to sit in these planes here. That's cool. Everybody's in line to go sit in that jet. This is one big platform. There you can see the tail hook that hooks the cable that stops the jet when it lands on the aircraft carrier. Let's have a look inside this plane. I had no idea these aircraft carriers were this big. Now, we all know they're big, but man, oh man, this is huge. And this camera doesn't do it justice at all. Have a look. There's still another 250 meters of boat that way. Might be hard to tell on the GoPro, but across the harbor, another military ship there, and another aircraft carrier there. Those ones are cordoned off. Whether they're active or not, I have no idea, but there's still two more over there. Have a quick look here. Now we're going to go into top secret carrier intelligence. Again, it's not much of a secret anymore, but especially if they're letting me in there. Let's go have a look, see what's going on over there. There's probably no less than 30 planes on top of here, plus plenty of room for people to walk around. You can sit in some of the jets, but they're lined up with people to get in them, so we're going to go over here to the Top Secret Carrier Intelligence Center exhibit. Can't help but wonder about the history of this ship and the things that this ship has seen. Makes you wonder.
World doesn't want a single man with a big army to control the flow from the Gulf.
That fuels the next round of the intelligence cycle. Though technology has changed over the years, the intelligence cycle is still the key to successful mission planning. Use the slider to find the best weather conditions for a low altitude attack. Iran's army is defeated.
That's pretty interesting stuff right there. With a little bit of history. In fact, a lot of history. So, I'm quite claustrophobic, but I'm not finding this too bad at all. Mind you, I don't want to live in the belly of a ship either. I'm ducking and I don't think I need to duck, but I see daylight. Let's get out of here. Back up on top. There's the famous statue everybody knows. Alright, so I went in over there, came out over here. How you doing, guys? Nice to see you. I think you can go way up there, but I don't need to go way up there. We might make our way back down to where the girls are and see what they want to do now. I'm really glad I came here. This is a pretty interesting place. We can go in here. Looks like there's already a bunch of people in there, but these planes don't look big when you see them on TV, but when you're up standing beside them, they're a lot bigger than what you think they are. Pretty sure I've said that a few times right now already. That's the exit to the plane. Folks, you ever get a chance to come here and check this out, I highly recommend it. I think it was $39 for adults, 20 and change for under 12. Now we're all going to go below deck. Not open now? Going to church? Officers' quarters.
Deux ans après ma... Ah, le petit?
Le petit est mort en 2008.
Et il est en 1900. Il est pas né en 1900.
Il est né en 1934, il est mort en 2008. Le petit, c'est 2 ans.
How you doing, boys? Good job.
I didn't say anything.
Must be where the officers see it's a little cleaner than the other one.
Go down to the laundry.
Oh, is that where that is? You want to go to the laundromat or no?
Well, I'm already down here, so.
Alright, be right back. Maybe. I don't know how to get out down here.
There's that
Okay,
right
keep
there.
going, keep going. Oh, it's already there. We're going back the way we came, you know?
Didn't know if you came back or we had to do.
We could have came back, but look how big these are. That's your stuff, right? Well, that's going to do it for the USS Midway. This is a very, very, very cool tour. Well, that's going to do it for the Midway tour. Well worth the money spent. We're going to head back to the car. Maybe we're going to go find something else to do here in San Diego. I'm sure there's something to do somewhere.
San Diego.
Hey, $9 clearance, Al. Like most places we've been, there's all kinds of these little shops along the promenade there. We're gonna walk down this way here, that way, and see what else we got. San Diego is a pretty nice place and clean. Oh, that's the famous picture, right?
That's what we were looking for.
Yeah. See what these guys here got, Al. There's another big one on the end down there.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, she's got to buy a hoodie in every town we go to. Just her thing, I guess. No? Is that a hard no? Okay, that's a no.
Oh my god.
What?
It's just, they have snacks. They have snacks.
We don't need snacks.